Okay, welcome back. So you can see now that you have already uploaded it to the live server. Okay, so now what we want to do now is we want to configure the backend. Okay, you know that we uploaded it with the front end, so we want to configure it. We want to configure the backend of this. So for you to go to that, you need to go and look for what we call the config, okay, of PHP, where we wrote all these things. Okay, we need to go and look for it. So in this script, I think it is an application, section and application. This application is section the application. Under application, you go straight to config. Under config now, you go straight to, I think, a database PHP. This is it. This is where you go. But if it is other scripts, you first of all check for environmental file on the moment you just click on it, environmental file. You don't need to come to this process. Just search for environmental file first before that. If you not say environmental file, you just come for this config folder to check on database. So you edit. Now you edit. You can see it. When you edit, you go straight, you go down, you see it. You can see what you just put that time, the database, which is forest, password, username, then like that. So what we need to do now, we need to create a server. Okay, we need to create a database in the live. You can see the database in live. So we need to look for database wizard, which is this one. Okay, you go to database, you give it a name, forest. You go straight to next, give it again, forest, username and password. Then I give it a password. So I'm going to generate a password. Okay, and I'll say I have copied this password. So I'm going to come to this place. Then I will replace it. This place of database password has a password now already. Okay, I'll click on what? Create user. So I will now copy the database username and database name. Okay, to replace these ones here. So these are the ones I'm going to use now. So I will say accept all privilege. Then I'll click on what? Next. Now my database is created successfully. So what I need to do now is I'll go straight to my folder, which is this where my website is. I'll go straight to, okay, I've already opened it down. This place now, I'm going to replace it again now. So I'll come to this place. The place of username here is root here. So I'll change it to the what? To the MCM trade. Then forest. Then for the database name here, I put forest here. So I'll change it to the what? Site one. Then this place of password, know that there's nothing here. So this is the time for me to now indicate my password. So I'll come to this place and I will now paste it there like that. So I'll click on what? Save. So when I click on save, if I try to refresh, okay, then let me access the backend. I'll say slash what? Backend. Let's see whether they'll give me issue. Okay, they said that this particular site is what? The page isn't working. Now this particular page you are seeing here, you need to turn these things to be true. This debug, the debug aspects, the big connect, you need to look for it to be turned true, so that you are going to see the reason why the thing is not live. Okay, let's see. True. Now maybe the version of the PHP is very high. Okay, so when something like this occur like this, okay, when something like this occur, just put it in your mind that maybe they try to talk about the version, because the version of the PHP maybe is very what? High. So you go to straight to PHP. You go straight to PHP selector. Okay, so this is the place. Let me see the version of the PHP. Then I will know the reason why it's like that. Okay, meanwhile, there's one thing that is missing. I have not uploaded anything on my database. So I need to go and upload. Okay, I need to go. I'll go to PHP my admin, which is here. Okay, I need to upload. So our local server, we need to go and download our file our database from our local server. Remember, on our local server, which is this place here, remember that we already do it here before, so we need to download the file. We need to make use of this file. Okay, make use of this file. So click on export. So we click on export. We click on export to export the one with, this is for our local host too. So we want to transfer it to the live. Okay, you can see it is forest. So this is the live phone now. The live phone is the name is empty centric forest. So I'll click on it. It will show empty. Okay, it's going to show empty. So I'm going to drag this one that I just download. It will just show successful. So it's something you just have to put your mind in it. Okay, I know that it will look more confusing right now, but put your mind in it, you will know it. The moment it shows successful, so let's refresh this thing again. Let's see whether is it because of the database is not there, or is it because of the version of the site. So let's watch and see. As you can see, it is live now. So you can use your phone to access it. Okay, you can use your phone to access it. Okay, you can use your phone to access it. So you can see now that it's on live right now. Your website is live, so you can now log in and do other configurations. Okay, so if you have any problem, any issues concerning on how to configure your email, you can just send me a private DM. Then I'm going to show you on how to configure your email. Okay, how to do configuration of emails, how you can able to configure it. So okay, thank you for watching.